Now we're live, not live, now we're actually recording, but the struggle of getting your studio set up at home is sometimes challenging. Anybody out there who can relate, feel me, right? Aaron here, welcome back to Lover of All Things Good and another episode. So today I'm actually doing something a little bit different, fun. I have a great grill that I don't even really use that often, but I'm gonna definitely take advantage of it today, and I'm gonna go out and make some great juicy salmon. But before I get to that, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lover of All Things Good. So as usual, I'm making a recipe, and after some feedback from someone, I decided to actually make salmon today. So I'm making grilled salmon with a salsa, and that salsa is gonna be infused with some juicy mangoes. So it's gonna be a nice spicy mango salsa, and we're gonna make that up today on the grill, and also going to have some great, wholesome, earthy ingredients that are readily available in your neighborhood supermarket or grocery store. I don't know if you guys say salmon, I say salmon, but I'm sure somebody may say something. If you say something in the comments, you know I say salmon, but I've heard it both ways. I guess it depends on where you're from. Bear with me. Yeah, so basically making that recipe today, and excited to make more recipes for you. Thanks again for tuning in. Please remember to turn on notifications, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comments. Join the community, Lover of All Things Good. We're gonna be doing some really fun stuff in the future, so please sign up and stay notified, but also I like getting to know each and every one of you, so the easiest way for me to do that is to have you guys kind of talk back and forth in the comments, so I really do like that. So stay tuned, more to come, and we're gonna have a good time and eat some good food.